In order to redeem codes and mystery gifts in Pokemon Legends ZA, you want to press the X button on your Switch and then go down to the bottom where you see Link Play. Select A there, and then go over to the right to where you see Mystery Gift. Select that option there, and you'll see a few different options. The first one is Get with Code or Password. I'll show you what the email looked like for my pre-order. You may have a code that looks like this throughout the game's lifespan that you want to go and insert the code. So go ahead and find your code and insert it here once you're presented with this screen. Once you have your code fully typed in, press A or the OK button there, and it will go ahead and check the code to make sure it's valid. It'll let you know what it is. Go ahead and press A and go through the menu prompts, and you'll be able to receive that gift directly from that code. The next option is Get via Internet. So if you've pre-ordered or if there is a mystery gift going on right now, you can go to the Get with Internet, and it'll show any active mystery gifts that are available to you. You just press A to select it. You'll see the gift box come down, and you are good to go. So that is how you insert promo codes and receive mystery gifts in Pokemon Legends ZA. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.